Oh my god, Nancy's, I got my crystal on. It's so cute, but it's coming off. And we are going, oh, don't lose this red cap. I'm going to take the red cap off. And then we are going to check, do a quick exam and check. And then this especially, which is really cool. I'm going to close the red cap. I'm just showing it first, but then I'm going to close the red cap because I'm going to show you the other end, which is the precision brush. So this is actually really, really helpful that it had the precision end, and it had more, you can pick up more of precision glue gels, and especially when you have more than just a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and using this to seal all of my frame and my beads, like majority of it. And then we are going to close this, open the other end. Don't do the red cap away. I always put it in here when I do the client, so then that's not going anywhere. And put it like this and seat it right next to me. So when I finish, I know exactly where the red cap is. So I am go ahead and seal again double because it was sealed by the on the end. The brush is already give a lot of good enough, but not too much. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go around the frame and the beads and seal the beads in the frame. Just try not to get into the crystal because you don't want to destroy all of your crystals, sparkle and shine. And then doing the same thing, and we're gonna do a little exam first. So now move to this. I'm not squeezing anything yet out. If you know that it's not squeezed, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little like check, and I feel like it scratchy in anywhere right here, then I'm gonna squeeze a little bit in. And so it was fill in all the gap and the edges of the crystals between crystal and crystals. So then it's gonna really keep it like concrete and seals every edges that it's been missing. So, and also a quick tips when you're doing for the clients, make sure you're asking your clients if you're especially getting a lot of more crystals and it's just like 1 or 2 crystals. You want to make sure you ask your clients is tilt their finger back and forth, so then that way it can hear from all different angles of the nail. So for the next one, I am go ahead and seal the beads first, and then when we'll go ahead and check on the edges. So if you feel scratchy right here, I can feel it too. Then also when you're doing it with the clients, your clients can also feel it too. So all you need to do is squeeze just that much of the precision glue gels and then seals it in. You don't need a whole lot. If you need, again, if you actually need additionals or extras like seal in, you can do a flash cure quick for 30 seconds and then reapply it as needed. But cure first before you're doing it, because then avoiding from flooding your crystal with the